All right, market opened up. Let's see what we got. So we're bullish off of the Sunday open. Inverse is far for value gap. Held the inverse, pushing up off of that. Oh, so inverse is hourly. So right now I'm kind of just favoring continuation up. Not seeing reason for price to turn around, start coming back down. And just wait the opening range move play out. Right now we got bullish price and a bullish opening range move right now. Is my trading view frozen? Oh, is my stuff geeked or is trading view geeked? I feel like trading these charts are lagging. This is weird. Let me check it on my phone. Now these charts are not moving smooth at all. It's actually pretty annoying, bro. It's not what I expected for my Monday price to be. Well, trading view should be lagging. Not what I expected. TradingView to be a platform that's lagging. way price is moving, this is literally untradeable. I'm not gonna lie. Not price, but the lag on this makes it super hard to keep track of. Oh wow. So ES is a strong name by far. Crazy thing is, last night when I was looking at price around this area, I was looking at longs a couple times, but right here, I opted to not take it. And if I would have woke up to a crazy, crazy bagger. But impulse move up. Hold on. Quite honestly, I'm scared to even try to execute on TradingView. You know what it is? Am I looking at the wrong contract? Could that be it? Alright, my bad. So I'm watching this right here. Maybe it was 6. This can hold. You should be able to see some higher prices. Kind of favoring for it to hold right now. So right now we're kind of getting a hold. We got okay, pulling this down a little bit. See how deep we go back. Let's see if we can hold right here. So
Order filled.
Discord now. Oh, it has to update. On my phone. So you take that high out, that'll be a TP. No, I'm not going to break even. It's hard bad. We'll see though. Let's see how long it takes us to hit it. And the way this is moving, I might have to just watch this on the trade rate. Yes, ES still moving strong. Okay, ES looks good. There we go. So yeah, some continuation. Yeah, honestly, a high day, I'll probably go break even. Just looking at this, how price is moving on Q50. Yeah, my break even would be high day. Prior day high would just be another target. Reason being, once we hit high day, I want to see us blast through it. I don't want to see us come back down. And also, we're gonna have a new 4-hour opening in 3 minutes, so that could end up sending us lower. So we want to be protective of our trade. All right, hit TP1. We'll hit high day. Stops at break even. Not really in this rip because if this wicks here anyway, we don't like that. We want to see price straight through this high and continue. We don't want to see this give anything back on this candle, right? So let this rock out. Yeah, we want to see this continuation. About to have a new 4-hour candle open up. Yeah, trading views geek today. So initial move with this new 4-hour candle is a push down to immediately getting bought up. So we just set the wick for the 4 hour candle. We want to see a low hold and just send us higher. Don't want to see us come back even lower. Once you take that 4 hour high, I want to just see continuation. I don't even want to see a pullback once you take that 4 hour high. I'm definitely okay with where stops are at now because we're under this 4 hour. So let's just continue up. Want to see us push above this high and get up out of here. So price pulling back down again. If it comes and grabs us, it grabs us. If it doesn't, good. But at this point, it's kind of looking like we might want to just be playing around in this range, which is not what I'm here for. So I'm gonna give this a chance to see if it wants to push out of here. Like I said, we're still holding this fair value gap, so there's no reason to like be scared out of the trade. Yes, it's holding up nicely, so it's no reason to be worried about that. There we go. That's a nice push. I want to see continuation on that. There you go. Starting to get that push up. I want to see this push continue up. Keep taking us out of here. We're sitting at about 1R right now. The way that low keeps holding leads me to believe that we want to go higher. Nice pop. Now you want to see a hold over this. Take us up to that high. Or not that high, take us up to prior day high. And that might be where we look at taking us off. But for right now, we have nothing to really, no reason to close this. Alright, trade sitting in profit. I'm gonna check my dog out. You guys watch that for me. How much did you how much did you pay for the Tesla calls? Oh, you did just say that. So what's Tesla trading at right now? I know you said the strike's at 402. Okay. And when you bought in, what was it at? Oh, so you caught a nice move. Oh yeah, you fake way kind of fire move. Oh, now I can't log in the trade rate on TradingView. Nice. I wonder if it's because I'm logged in on my phone. I don't like this. I don't like when TradingView start doing all this. Okay, concurrent warning. It's no more concurrent, no more concurrency. I don't like how price is trading right here. I'm not gonna lie. Nah, yeah, I'm not really. I'm not in love with what price is doing right now. So, so normally, all right, all right. Now, yeah, I'm up 850 right now, so I'm coming up on a 2R. Thought I found love in Chicago, but she didn't hear me back in the motto. Alright, 45. Okay, so I'm up 2R here. Oh my gosh, this shit just got hammered right here. What's ES doing? Okay, no SMT. As long as you don't get SMT, I don't have a big reason I want to sell out. Okay. Okay, better not like that, better not like that. What's that for going? You say that's random. Batman don't know about that one. Batman don't know about that one. Batman got no answer. Batman out here for the press. Nah, they probably was talking about it recently. I said they must have been talking about it recently. Right. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm back. It's me. What's Tesla doing? NQ's doing that dance for me. NQ down there doing that dancey dance. I'm not gonna lie. Part of me doesn't like this move up. It's giving like, what do you call that shit in your terms? A rising wedge. It's giving rising wedge vibes. In my terms, it would be a low resistance liquidity run. It's gonna be coming. That's all I'm saying. It's like we either need like a really volatile push up, or else it's just gonna probably get hammered down. Um, all right, nah, I hear you. Not Mary, because like part of me is like, you know what? I want to stick to my plan and my process. And my plan was I don't really want to take any off until we hit prior day high, because like right now I'm letting like what's going on kind of affect what I'm looking at. And part of it's probably because I'm looking at the profit. But it's like really, I had a plan to go break even. I went break even. The trade's risk free. My next TP where I could touch the trade or look at anything is at yesterday's high. So I shouldn't even be looking at touching the market until we hit yesterday's high. You feel me? Because my thing is like once you start touching on it's more, for my thing it's more like following my rules. Once I start touching on shit when I'm not supposed to be, like in the time frames I'm not, that's when my shit starts getting fucked up. And it's like even if I'm telling myself like, oh, I'm protecting profit and like I'm doing the smart thing, it's like nah. Because then if I have a trade, if this trade goes where it's supposed to go, and I take it off early, then I have another trade or three losing trades. The profit from this trade isn't going to be there to cover those three losing trades. So yeah, I'm not just being ignorant. Not just being ignorant. I just because obviously you know our trading styles are a little different too. So I be needing that extra profit to carry over when I have my losing days. Because I've done that before, where like I took off, and then the trade ran, and then like I go on a losing streak, and I end up blowing the account because I didn't have that profit to cover it. I just trying to learn from my mistake. I'm trying to learn each state. That's what I want to do. I just trying to learn each state. I mean, if ES is pushing up, I mean, ES is kind of holding up, so it's like I don't have a reason to really be terrified. For real, for real. Better as I made a change, nigga. I'm still dangerous. But nah, oh my gosh, I'm actually in a good spot trading wise. I used to pray for times like this, to rhymes like this. Indubitably. In the back of the paddy wagon, cuffs locked on wrists. See my dreams unfold. Nightmares come true. It was time to marry the game, and I said, yeah, I do. That shawty, she trying to bless me like I said hi too, nigga. That was a bar. Like a nigga squeeze. Nigga, please, for the squeeze, nigga. Mm, I don't like how we moving around this hourly high. I did it without an album. I did shit with Mariah. That's it. You need to learn to play that shit on the piano. Type shit. You learn that little nigga, I'm on fire. Icy as a hockey rink, Philly nigga, Empire. Whew. Nah, yeah. Nigga have to bite down. Nigga have to lock in and bite down on that mouthpiece. The mouthpiece gonna have to be bit. Bite marks. You saw on the loans. Oh, I thought you said hop on the loans. I was gonna say, oh, that nigga finna fuck his credit up just like me. Oh, your shift clap too? Nigga, that nigga just like me for real. Nigga, my credit is fried. My shit so overly cooked. They chopped and screwed my shit. I said, damn, merch, y'all gonna do my shit like this. Okay. Honestly, if this is what the market wants to do right here, if this is the push down, that's actually kind of good because we swept out this little internal low, and we might want to move up off of this now. But if the sellers, honestly, if sellers want to step in, this is where they want to step in at. So we'll see. Now it's hella weak. Why this big gay nigga from my boxing gym? He followed my boxing page on Instagram. I said, oh, I'm not following you back. Yeah. I was like, nope. Yeah, that's honestly I seen it coming when I was talking about the falling wedge or the low resistance liquidity run. All right, yeah, I'm finna tag break even.
Stop filled.
Honestly, I seen that one coming because like price is just sitting there. The way it was going up, I already knew there's a bunch of orders sitting there because hella people getting long and trolling their stops under. Talk about. That's fucking annoying though. But at least I protected my behind. Just took your chain to get Rico. Took your ass like, go see you. Yeah, I got hit at break even. smooth dude when I was still in school. I fucked on a CEO. I'm watching this little shit here now. Bro, trading view is so laggy. This shit's so annoying. Nah, for real. It did that shit just to bounce back too. That shit said, hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? When I bought that asset money, y'all thought it was renting, and I'm flexing on these niggas on like Popeye with that spinning, doubling me. That's my team right there. The captain, I'm lieutenant, nigga. I'm a lieutenant, nigga. Like, hold on, bitch. I thought I was a lieutenant. He said, nah, nigga. I'm a lieutenant, nigga. Cause I'm the type of guy that ain't handshake ground like I'm broke. That Lambo, my new bitch, but she ride like my ghost. See, now I'm torn. Because now we're starting to reject this bearish shit. So it's like, now it's starting to act like you really want to go to the ground round. I'm like, if you want to go to the ground round, I'm here for it. Like, honestly, I'm here for a good time. Because I still got money on trade with. So I'm like, you feel me? We could do whatever you want to do. Like, we can pull up and fuck over one of them dudes. Motorola, no Yola. Real close or close to no shit. Yeah, shit's really just starting to turn over. Yeah, yeah. I hella was right about that shit. Probably finna turn over when I said that shit. Damn, session disconnected. What is going on? But when I was saying that shit about that LR got low resistance liquidity run, I fucking hit the nail on the coffin with that shit. That's exactly what this shit did. I should have freaked the market and fucking flipped short. So nah, I would have been doing too much. Because if it would have continued, I was like, I should have stayed long. I would have went doobly crazy. Typically, when I do that, taking multiple trades is when I start getting cooked on the day. So like, usually I'll go one and done. Yeah. They calling me crack. They're calling me crack. Nah, yeah, that's a good point. I ain't gonna argue with it. It's all learning a lesson. It happens. I ain't settling for nothing less. I know that I'm worth. Who the fuck came up with that line? Saying words don't hurt. I'm being tempted by another long position right here, honestly. As soon as you get off the plane, that's already here waiting for you. I'm gonna wait though, because this shit might just push through the lows again. But if not, I had a thinking like, yeah, this shit might want to do a little turn around, a little scoop. Yeah, fuck on a duck, call him a cut. Wait, did you watch the Blueface fight? What do you think about it? I thought that nigga damn near had won. I feel like he landed all his power shots at the end though. Like, yeah, that shit just turned back around, so I'm going down. That shit shaking straight ass. That shit said, hold on, I can shake my tail feathers. Watch this. Let me show you something. Oh, hold on. That shit like it wanted to do a little spike down by a little spike pop, little pop spike, little pop smoke. Nah, I mean, looking at this shit, we're still in an uptrend, but volume is definitely to the downside right now. Mm, that shit hurt it. It's recorded. Shouldn't even make no sense. I be amazed how these niggas with money don't be knowing the stupidest shit like Puerto Rico not having like the tax laws being so much better out there. I figured every million such billionaire would know that shit, but Like I just seen this shit on Twitter. It's talking about TJR putting DDG on crazy tax game about moving to Puerto Rico. Like I would think a nigga like DDG would already know that shit. I feel like you knew that shit, right? Yeah, exactly. Like I feel like that shit's common sense, and we're two broke niggas. So how do niggas with money not know that? Oh, that shit's still going down. Yeah, this shit. And I'm like, fuck. I'm not convinced enough to take shorts. But I'm also not seeing a reason to long this shit at this point. Maybe days I'm not living life. Maybe days I don't want to live. I've been crying happy tears. Pretty sure. Nah, yeah, I'm just sitting here waiting. No, I should just find consolidation station. Nah, I don't either. I'm gonna end up fucking just not touching this shit no more. Nope. Hold on. I'm hella weak. That shit is a video of DDG telling his ex cameraman to like buy a 30K watch because it's gonna make him grind harder. And you gonna have to pay the taxes anyway. Someone in the comments said I listen to these type of niggas. Now my credit score is a 475. Oh, hallelujah. Fuck. Shit, that's like when Kevin Hart was with Dwayne Wade. You got it, nigga. Ball out. No, no, Dwayne. No, I don't got it, Dwayne. I don't got your type money. Like I said, I can't be friends with everybody. Alright, honestly, I I get we're looking a little clapped here, but hear me out. I'm looking at longs. Nigga said whatever tickles your peach is crazy. I don't think I want my peach tickled. Doesn't sound like a great time. Because also, longs right here is also playing the range move. It's playing the internal range, but the external trend. If you short right here, that means you're betting that the whole overnight move is going to get taken back. Oh. Oh. That shit got smacked down. Smack can. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. I'm finna fuck him. Blueface, baby. Yeah, alright. I'm everyone in fantasy. I think he said so, little baby. Don't be mad at me. Yeah, alright. Okay, this motherfucker do want to go short. Would I even be able to possibly touch it? No, because where would it go short to? Oh. Age of Lows. Damn, Age of Lows is a 4R. How much you shit down? Are you gonna swing it or are you gonna sell out? So are you cooked in terms of your swing too? Or are you just like gave your money back? Yeah. This nigga Charleston White to fucking final. This nigga got fucking racist niggas talking about thank you for being the only nigga supporting me. Damn it, Charleston. This nigga got Charleston White got the one nigga. You know the do you see the Gypsy Crusader nigga? I guess he's like hella racist. He fought Super Hot Fire. And Charleston White the whole fight was like, I can't stand to see no white man lose. He was like, I want the white man to win. I can't watch no white man lose. I don't know what that'll do to me. Now the white nigga's like, yeah, Charleston White was the only person supporting me. Shout out to him. Yeah, Super Hot Fire kind of got robbed, but yeah, the white dude, he got the win. The win is on his record. Okay, I think we actually might do it this time. We swept out that low low right there, and I was no, I think we're gonna go higher because we swept out the low and got an immediate reaction. You know, think you know, sleep. But I damn near can't even watch the show on trading view because trading view is lagging so bad, bro. Motherfucker moving wonky. That little pop up just brought you back live, huh? I can hear it in your laugh. What did you just down like 60%? Oh, hold on. Nigga got 5 percentile back. Alright, I feel like I'm gonna regret not pressing that buy button because I definitely was just hovering over it. Alright, let me see, let me see. Alright, next, if the next pullback holds, I'll tinker tatter with this shit. I don't like that, but I don't like that. And then I forget over it. Nope, definitely regretting it. You said I should what? Damn, man. I should have took that shit. You said Tesla's due for a $50 pump day? $3 pump penalty, pump daily. Yep. Damn, that shit starting to go stupid like crazy. Stupid Stupid like crazy. It got God like that. The little hoe want me to be a baby. That shit overly over with. I feel like we kind of just made an internal high. I don't think so. I think this shit's gonna continue up. I want to see it pull back a little bit more. If it does, I'll probably try long. I just don't see this shit going back down yet. The reason why I don't think we're gonna go back down is because we swept out the low from the morning and we instantly got bought back up. So I'm like, if they wanted to push any lower, that would have been the area to continue. And then on top of that, we're still bullish. Yeah, but when I say the low for the morning, like the opening range low, like when it makes, you know how the market always makes its initial move, that was the clear low off open. So and then see, look, we're pushing up higher. Like I don't think this shit's gonna go take that low out again. Now, if it doesn't pick up some volatility, then yeah, because the shit's moving a little slow right now. But like I said, I want to see it pull back so I can get in, and then we just initially try. Put a whole city blamed it on Nussy. Okay. Look at that pull back. Oh my gosh. I didn't even get a chance. Damn, I didn't even get a chance. Damn, I didn't even get a chance, bruh. I knew that shit was gonna happen. That shit was so obvious. Fuck. Damn, I'm a fucking idiot. I hella seen that shit. That's hella annoying, bruh. Batman don't like that. Okay, new 15-minute candle. Yeah, this shit's definitely gonna continue up. 100 fucking percent. Fuck. Damn, I hate this shit. Is your shit coming back? Fuck. Yeah, so it's just not really not doing shit for either of us. That's some bullshit, guys. Soon as you get off the plane, I'll still be here waiting for you. I'll let her keep my baby. Alright, that's just starting to pull back down now. Baby, are you down? No, 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 no. What, is Tesla not moving? Because NQ's still going up. Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing with fucking with them options. Sometimes you can have the right side of the overall market, but that specific stock just want to act retarded. Oh, shit. Bro, I tell you, that little black girl that go to my gym want a gold medal. That shit crazy. Black power. She over there beating them little girls up. No, this shit just got hammered. Oh, oh, Tunja man, where you go? Oh, that's my phone. Oh, my headphone died. Now my shit's officially cooked. Now shit's selling off like fuck. Oh, Tesla started going doing that downside movement. Yeah. I know that shit was funny. Alright.
Order filled.
That shit's so annoying. Dude, like, what? I'm mad because it's like I knew this shit was gonna happen, bro. Nah, yeah, it ain't be the worst ones when you already got a phone up that shit, but then you still let yourself get cooked towards that shit. I mean, shit. I tried to long on MQ though. I'm not gonna lie. I think this shit. I think this shit could still go for yesterday's high. Nah, yeah. I'll finally look at Tesla's chart, see what that shit looking like. Yeah, so MQ definitely it's kind of playing around right here, but it's like it's not doing nothing like terrible to make me think like it's really gonna go all the way down. I mean, yeah. Tesla just it definitely rejected a level with that hourly, but the 5 minute structure is still holding up. Honestly, in my opinion, the 5 minute structure on Tesla doesn't look bad. I feel like it still could continue higher. So like that kind of pullback on Oh, Batman's still there. Talking about Batman, I was talking about Robin. You said you want to go play on Spice. Like you said, your spice senses. I was gonna say what that mean? The nigga spice senses. I got to brush my teeth. Sis. My teeth tutorials. Oh, that shit just gave me a nice little pop. Let's go. Yeah, I think I timed that pullback pretty nicely. This could be the one better. Oh. Type E, type E. Back with Tesla. Yeah. WNQ do be playing. I don't know why you took it, Tori. It hit a level, huh? You didn't see it. What are they, daily? Tesla has zero DTEs like that. Did they switch that? But like, cause I thought when I used to trade options, I thought all stock options were weeklies, and then oh, okay, so it was like a newer change though, like newer, like it happened like after we started trading type shit. See, that's what I was. See, that's why I was confused. Why I was like, oh yeah, that. See, when you said your contracts were losing equity like that, I was like, for weekly contracts, that doesn't make sense. You know what I mean? I was like, it's not moving that crazy. Still a different contract. Oh, Inky's doing that dance for me. Let me see you do your dance. That's all I was saying, bro. I knew it was gonna happen. I'm glad I was here to catch it. 800. Yeah, I have my break even is like 15 points away. So once we go break even, I'll obviously feel a lot more like comfortable in the trade. But then from there, my next TP is high of day, and then my TP after that is a prior day high. So right now I'm kind of just letting the whoop on a screw. I'm trying to see because honestly, I sized up a little bit on this trade, and the way I'm looking at it is once I hit for like if I hit for 3K, and 3K at damn near be at yesterday's high. So yeah, if I hit for 3K, bro, I will close this shit totally and get out of it. You know what I mean? Like 100%. It's not even a bad reject. Honestly, I might go stop break even here just to be protected. Nope, I stick to the plan. I stick to the plan. Break even at that 15-minute fair value gap closure. Yep. Oh, actually, hell no, I'm going break even. Fucking ES and NQ, they just had a fucking divergence. You're not finna trick me on my spot with that bitch ass shit, bro. Alright, so yeah, I got break even stops.